Hello everybody, I am Nicod. So today I am back with another pedal. So I bought this pedal. So it is a donor pedal. So last time I bought the digital multi-effects from Behringer and that has got a delay in it. But I really love the delay. I am so crazy about it. So right now let me show why I love it. So now the delay is on. And it is just a little bit on with very fast delay. It is more like a reverb, but it sounds really awesome. So this is the sound first without delay. So this is a very dry sound, and now with my delay. So that is a more full sound. And I love it certainly when I am using my Behringer vintage tube overdrive, so my tube screamer. So let me show that. So I was just using it. I can play. I don't know what to play. So I love this sound. It is a real full sound. It is great for playing chords, but also great for playing harder stuff and for playing soul. So I really love this sound, but it is a multi-effects pedal that I am using just for that one sound, for just that delay. So I cannot use my other effects because I don't want to turn the knobs and then have to search for that sound again. So what I did was I bought a new pedal. I didn't buy a second digital multi-effects pedal. I could have done that and then the problem would have been fixed too. But I bought this, so this is the Donner mini pedal and it is the Yellow Fall. So let me take it out. Yeah, I got another Donner plectrum. I've got two now. That's good. And another one of those. I've got two of those now. Because it's my second Donner pedal. Well, why did I buy a Donner pedal? So Donner pedals are pretty cheap, but they also look very nice. So I'm very happy with this pedal, with my dark mouse. It looks like a jewel. So that also does something. It doesn't change the sound, but it does change the feeling about your pedal. You feel more attached to something when it is more beautiful, of course. I do like my Behringer pedals, but they are just plastic, and this is made of metal, and this looks really good, and it feels good too. Let me show it in this camera. So this is a really nice looking, nice feeling. So let me plug it in. I've got another cable over here. Another thing. So I also bought myself a Harley Benton power supply. It is a power plant, so that can give 9 volts to 8 separate ports. So every pedal is isolated, and it will not have interference from other pedals or from other things. So this is a very important thing. There it is. The LEDs are very bright, but I just love the thing. And I can plug it in to here. So this costed almost 40 euros, but it is the best buy of all my pedal things. So I used to power it. So I used to power my pedals with this. So this is a normal PSU, and I had to cut it because it wasn't working with my patch cables. So that was making some noise. It was not sounding good, certainly like now. I've got my tube screamer on, and it would have been a lot of noise, a lot of white noise, and that's no good. So I bought myself a power plant, and that's really great. That gives me a very clean sound of all my pedals, and it makes them a lot more usable. So let me take this and put it in here. This in there, and this here. Okay, this one out, this one out. I also bought new plectrums. So I bought these, the Jazz 3, they are too small. I also bought these, the John Petrucci. Is it John Petrucci? Yes. John Petrucci plectrums. They are a little bit bigger, but they are still a little bit too small. Let's compare it with a normal plectrum. So I used to play with these. So I used to play with these plectrums. I gotten them with what? With my tuner. Yeah, I gotten these plectrums with my tuner, and I was playing these, and they didn't feel very good. So I bought these new plectrums. But if we compare the size, even the John Petrucci is still a lot smaller. So that's what it is smaller, but these are even smaller. So let's compare it like this. So this is a lot smaller than what I was used. But these, yeah, these ain't too great. Like this plectrum, I broken off the top of it, so that ain't good. With these plectrums, that isn't gonna happen. But what the problem is with these plectrums, they turn around, and normally I am used to pushing here to turn its back to make it so that my tip is in the correct way, but with these I cannot push them over here to turn them. So that is a bit a pity. Then I have to do like that to turn it, and it is just something I got to get used to. But well, it is a good plectrum. It does play a lot better than what I was playing. So now let's go. And I've lost already a few of them. So now let's go to our new pedal. That's not doing anything. Let me turn that up. So that's about the sound that I had on my other pedals, so let me compare those. This one is a lot drier. It does sound nice, it does sound a little bit better than my other pedal. Yeah, so let's try to record something. Wow, that sounds cool. I like it. I'm just gonna use that sound. I think it sounds so cool. Sounds about the same to me. So I love this effect. I really needed it, so now my pedal board is filled. So let me play a song for you. Thank you all for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel. See you later. Bye.